How can you reach more people with your tweets? Whether you want to raise awareness of a product launch, a discount code for first-time customers, or a special in-store event, Quick Promote lets you share your tweets with a larger audience in a few easy clicks. You can find Quick Promote on your desktop as well as on the Android app. Let's walk through the steps of Quick Promote. Setting up an ads campaign takes only seconds. The first thing you'll want to do is customize your Quick Promote campaign for the right audience. Then, decide which tweet from your timeline you'd like to promote. To find tweets eligible for promotion, you have 3 options. 1. View your tweets on your user profile. You'll see promote buttons on each of your promotable tweets. 2. Click on a tweet from your user profile. You'll see a promote button below your selected tweet. 3. Finally, you can go to Twitter for Professionals and select Promote a Tweet. A timeline listing all of your promotable tweets will appear. Next, you'll choose one of 3 available objectives for your next promotion. Let's say you have a plant shop and you want to share the latest meme about folks who can't stop buying plants. The best objective for you would be engagement. Engagement is used to create a reach campaign to increase social engagements, which include likes, replies, and retweets. On the other hand, perhaps you're an accountant who specializes in working with creatives, and you want to build a brand as a thought leader within that industry. Creating a followers campaign will add a follow call to action at the bottom of your ad to expand your audience. Finally, let's talk about link clicks. This objective creates a website clicks campaign, which drives people to tap through to your preferred URL. In order to use this tool, your promotable tweet must contain a website link. A great application of this objective would be a pizza shop or any restaurant wanting to promote a brand new website that encourages people to order online. These objectives get an additional boost from improvements like new targeting capabilities, which allow you to define granular location, age, and gender preferences. And new budget capabilities offer more flexibility. Instead of being limited to 24-hour promotion windows, you can now choose a specific daily budget and a campaign length of up to 30 days. Once you've created and reviewed your promotion selections, all that's left is to click the Create Promotion button. Now, your Quick Promote campaign is ready to go. And remember, you can easily review the results of your campaign by clicking the tweet activity icon on any of your promoted tweets.
Ready to learn more? Visit business.twitter.com for more resources to help grow your business on Twitter.